Hello, classmates and tutor. I am Julie Lorena Guapacha. Today, I am going to talk about my train assessment, content and language integrator learning. Learning objectives. You understand the key principles of CLIL and its benefits in language learning. Analyze how CLIL is implemented in the classroom using examples and case studies. Develop assessment activities that demonstrate understanding of the CLIL approach. What is content and language integrator learning? CLIL is a methodology in which students learn a subject such as science, history, or mathematics in a foreign language, simultaneously developing knowledge in both areas. It is based on the idea that learning is more meaningful when language is used for a real purpose. Its application is based on the conceptual framework of the four C's: content, communication, cognition, and culture. These are four C's of CLIL: content, learning the specific subject, for example, geography in English; communication, using the foreign language to express ideas and participate in activities; cognition, developing critical thinking, problem solving, and cognitive skills; and finally, culture, exploring cultural perspective to foster a global mindset. Now we can find strategies for implementing CLIL. First, adapting content. It's important to select authentic materials appropriate to the student's level. For example, we use in our class pictures, charts, and visual organizers to facilitate understanding. Then, skills integrations. It's important to design activities that combine reading, writing, listening, and speaking activities. So, encourage interaction with debates, presentations, and collaborative projects. Third, use of scaffolding is important to support students with key vocabulary before the lesson, and then provide language structures to facilitate communication. For formative assessment, it's important to use rubrics, self assessments, and peer assessments. So, final, it's important to use assess both content and language use. Finally, I am going to talk about my two writing assessment strategies in the Instituto Técnico Agropecuario Naranjal. This is my practice site. So this assessment it was implemented with grade 62 about numbers and in grade 11 about present simple versus present progressive because the institution assessment method has been rather theoretical and not very inclusive. For this reason, both assessments were inclusive with varied questions, visual elements, accessible language, and adaptive to different learning styles. They were aligned with CDG4 quality education. Not students failed the assessment, which demonstrate new understanding, motivation, and active participation. So it's important to know that this assessment no, it's not necessary reinforcement activities. And this is all. Thank you.